How to recover deleted call history on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application and you need to download this app called Call Analysis. So as you can see, I've already installed the application. So just tap on open and it will take us to the home page of the application. Now simply tap on continue and tap on agree. So you have to give access to your phone calls and everything. And as you do that, here you'll be all turned on. So you can see there are different options over here at the top, from calls, analysis, contacts, backups, and more. Now if you want to recover deleted call history, you can just tap on the local backup option. So you can just tap on local backup, and as you do that, you'll be able to recover deleted call history on your Android. So you get to see a lot of ads as well over here. So simply you'll have to skip all of these ads. So you can just tap on restore from, and as you tap on restore from phone, it will select the backup file to store it as well. So you can just now select the files or select the calls over here, and you can just start recovering your deleted call history. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.